Oh, 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 oh. Well, I saw you and my peoples came unjusted. Your stems gliding across the floor, I felt so flustered. Your grace on overtime. Oh man, you look so fine. I asked myself what kind of night will happen any otherwise, and reconcile my confidence to jump ahead to other guys. The time is now and we're both here, so let's skip right past delay. That's when I slide across the floor and ask you, darling, for so much more. Please, oh please, come dance with me. Yeah, I was shocked as your peeper sparkled at me. You grabbed my arm, turning separate in two, glided on the dim lit floor to